The gold market, we were really suspicious last week. We put out the caution flag saying that we thought a move to 1600 would fail and would begin to move down. So a lot of stuff on this chart that we're looking at, just so you understand it. This big silver dashed line is silver. So what I do is I superimpose silver over the gold chart, and the gold chart is the blue one right in here, so that I could see how they're trading together. And the big dominant gold one is right over here, and you could see coming down. So you have the dominant cycle coming down here, you have the regular minor gold cycle coming down here, the silver cycle coming down here, and all of that made me suspicious that we were not going to be able to hold the upside in there, and tested 1600 almost exactly, which is what our number was. And now catch this. This is a bear flag that's forming in here right now. So we're going to call for this bounce that it's in right now to fail again. Now we're gonna look for a down week in here. This area right over here, that's 1538. That's an important number. We really don't want to see that break. I wouldn't mind to see it just break down in here, get down to some 1550 or so, settle in there, and then get ready for this phase over here that could be more positive. But even when I look at the intermediate patterns, it's not really ready for anything big on the upside. Some of the evidence says that 1600 was a double top, and that there's a weekly engulfing pattern, and the indications are that there's an intermediate top, and that we're going to be in a choppy corrective period out into May. So what I think in here is that, if it does break that level of 1538, that will be the confirmation of the corrective period we're in. Now, I think we're going to see much higher prices later in the year, but I'm looking way too far out as far as that goes. So right now, the sum of the evidence says that we've seen a peak, and we're more likely to see downside in here than upside, and we're going to look for that. Now, momentum still strong, but starting to weaken, as you can see right in here. So it's flattening out, but still on the upside. So that's going to hold anything from really being a big decline in there.